Alright, cool. Now what I have here is some vinegar. Now vinegar is an acid, and all acids have a pH below 7. The pH of vinegar is between 2 to 3. Now we can actually neutralize this vinegar by reacting it with a base, and the base that we're going to use is sodium bicarbonate. Right, so what we're going to do now is test the pH of the vinegar using some indicator paper. Now we can see that the indicator paper has turned orange. Now this indicates to us that the vinegar is acidic. If we look at the pH chart, we can see that the vinegar has a pH of 3. Now we can also test the pH of the vinegar by using some universal indicator. So we're going to put a few drops and see what colour it turns. So we can see that the indicator has turned the solution red, and that gives us a pH of around 2 to 3 as well. Right, so what we're going to do now is neutralise the vinegar by using some sodium bicarbonate. So I'm going to get a spatula and I'm going to add a little bit into the vinegar and we're going to stir it in. So we can see some fizzing taking place there. Right, so we can see that as I'm adding the sodium bicarbonate to the vinegar, the solution is changing colour from red to yellow, and that's because the pH is increasing and the solution is becoming neutralised. So I'm going to add some more until we get green. Now we can see that the solution is starting to turn green, and the reason why is because it's being neutralised. Now the products of a neutralisation reaction are always a salt plus water. Now in this case, the salt that we produced is sodium acetate plus water plus carbon dioxide gas as well. Okay, so now the vinegar, also known as acetic acid, has been neutralised by the sodium bicarbonate, and we're going to test the pH by using some pH indicator paper. So we can see that the pH indicator paper has now turned green, which is telling us that the solution has been neutralised and has a pH of 7.